guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so excited that one of my favorite boxes just arrived. This is my Smartass and Sass. Do you want to see what's inside of October's box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my October box just arrived, and I love this box. It brings me so much joy because of its smart assiness. I do need to disclaimer you that during this video, foul language, but tasteful foul language, maybe, might be coming out of my mouth because this is a Smartass and Sass box, and I will be reading things. So if you are not into foul language in general, or you have little ones around you, earmuffs, because some words might be coming out of this mouth. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get to the unboxing, you guys. I love their box. Not only is it my favorite color, but it says well-behaved women seldom make history, and it says right here is my favorite: drop it like it's hot. No, not really, it's fragile. So let's go ahead and, oh yeah, sassy, classy, and a bit smart-assy, because that is so me. I love this box. Now last month, the theme was something like 90s or 80s or retro or something like that. And I was like, oh my gosh, I can't wait. So let's see. When you open it up, here's the cards. Okay, so it's like totally retro. Yes, I cannot wait. There's our little squigglies right on top. So let me go ahead and remove these so we can get to the goods. All right, so first thing right on top that I'm seeing are, it looks like 2 cups, and it says, so don't just stand there, bust a move. So don't just stand there, bust a move. Oh my goodness. This box is going to bring me back to so much cool music. And if you already follow me, you know a lot of things relate to music in my head. And anyway. So don't just stand there, bust a move. These are adorable. And that's kind of cute because it's like pink and green, and it could be like his and hers. Yeah, so don't just stand there, bust a move. Who's finishing that? That's what I want to know. All right, it does have this really cool little boom box. I love that. Okay, all right. Bust a Move cup set from Smartass and Sass. We dare you to read this without singing. What did I do? These BPA-free plastic cups can hold 16 ounces of your favorite beverage. We're obviously channeling the 80s with these neon pink and green. If you want it, we got it. $3 value, and that is definitely right. This is totally bringing me back to the 80s, and I was born in actually 1980, so the whole 80s is my growing up. That's like the 80s is my shit. And I had these hot pink colored like scrunchy socks, and like there was little hair things you put in your hair that was actually like shoestrings, and they were bright colors. Everything was bright neon colors. Even my shirts had bright neon colors. I just loved and still love the 80s, you guys. So if anything on here says from Smartass and Sass, that means you could purchase it directly from Smartass and Sass's website. They don't just sell the subscription boxes. You can purchase things directly from their site. So these can be purchased directly from their site for $3. And that is so cool. I like that. All right, they always do put in a little Post-it note, and these are on Post-it brand sticky notes. It says Post-it right on the back. And this time it says, my brain is 90% song lyrics. Oh my goodness. Yes, that is my brain. That's me in a nutshell. That is me in a nutshell. So this is sticky and Sharpie. Oh, so there's a Sharpie up in here. Up in y'all. Yes. Ooh, and it looks like, is it blue or is it purple? Let me see. Let's show you. Ooh, it's like a purple. A blurple. It's like a purple blue. Let's call it a blurple, okay? And it says, oh my God, Becky, look at her butt. Oh my gosh, I have that CD. Sir Mix-a-Lot. Baby got back. A little in the middle, but you got much back. Well, here, and it says Sharpie. It's on an actual Sharpie, and You guys, I love this box. So, stickies and Sharpie from Smartass Sass. These stickies keep track of important thoughts that aren't song lyrics. Printed on a Post-it brand 3x3 pad, includes 50 sheets, $3. This Sharpie, my anaconda don't want none unless you got Sharpies, hun. My anaconda don't want none unless you got Sharpies, hun. $2.50. Oh my goodness gracious, my cheeks are already hurting. Oh my goodness. Okay, next we have You Are So Rad. Frankie and Mirth, I don't know, Myrrh. It's in this little, like, I don't know what this little thing is here. Let's see. Oh my gosh, have I told you guys that I love this box? Because I love this box. Who got this box? Who's getting this box with me? Let me know down below. All right, so it says Hottie by Nature. Hottie by Nature. Oh my gosh, I love this box. Okay, so this is Hottie by Nature Rolly from Frankie and Mirth. I have no clue. Hottie by Nature was the first blend that Kim, the curator, developed. It's a fruity, citrusy smell with hints of wood and vanilla. She calls it her anti-drama queen spray, and it's the best-selling scent in the store. Wear on your pulse points, 0.33 ounce, $31.45 value. Holy moly. And you can find this from Frankie and MYRRH.com. Use code HOTTIE for 20% off your order. Let's see. Hottie by Nature. Ooh, that is citrusy. That's very citrusy. I love citrus. I love citrusy. That does smell very citrusy. I'm picking up on a lot of like orangish like citrus. Okay, so now we have Funky Fresher by Smartass Sass. Like, what is that? Funky Comedina. If you wanna be my car scent, you gotta smell fresh as fuck. If you wanna be my car scent, you gotta smell fresh as fuck. It smells like cinnamon and girl power. Oh my gosh. Becky, look at her butt. Spice up your life, and it's like a cassette tape. Like, cassette tape. Some kids don't even know what cassette tapes are these days. Like, forget about an 8-track. Okay, so this says magnets and air freshener. So, wait, is there a magnet then? Oh, yes, there is. Mixtape magnets by Smartass Sass. Sing your heart out. And this is all magnets with all different, you can make your own thing. There's just all these little words, and you can just, you can make your own sayings. I used to have a set like these that I actually got in a mall. Me and my friend that was the same name as me, we went out to this one mall, and we were in this store. I don't even know what it was. And there was a set of magnets, and they were all words. And I, of course, got the rated R version because they had bad words and like sexual words. And of course, that's the one that I had to get because that's just the one that I had to get. But I still have those somewhere, actually. I still have those magnets. Like, I still have them somewhere. So these are actually like, I see virgin. Maybe because like a virgin. I see Ice Ice Baby, single, eye of the tiger. She's a gold digger. So this is like G-rated version, but these are all songs. So you can like make your own songs up. That's really cool. And if you're hearing noises right now, we're now getting a downpour. Love my Florida weather. So now these say, now that I have, I'm all over the place. I love this box. Okay, so this together says magnets and air freshener from Smartass Sass. This mixtape magnets, no lie, we had a blast coming up with these fave lyrics from the last few decades. $8. The funky freshener, yo, I'll tell you what you want, what you really, really want. a fresh smelling ride. Yo, I'll tell you what you want, what you really, really want. Oh my gosh, that brings back so many memories. A little fun fact, the only karaoke that I've ever done my entire life was with my friend, and it was the same one I was just talking about, and we literally did the Spice Girls. And you know, in the one part where she slams her foot down and she's like, slam your body down and wind it all around, and she like does it. I actually did that, and I like was like, oh, there's people actually watching me. So I felt so embarrassed, but like, whatever, I don't know these people. And so this is valued at $3, and this is valued at $8. And from Smartass Sass, you can use code OSNAP for 20% off your order. That's awesome. So if you guys want to get any of these items, OSNAP, get 20% off. Yes. Yes. Okay, so the next item in here says Foxy Originals necklace, 16-inch plus a 2-inch extender, and it says whatever. It says whatever. Definition: used as an argument to admit that you are wrong without admitting it. So the argument is over. Often accomplished by a hand signal, a hand signal formed by holding the thumb and pointer finger of each other's hand as an L shape and layering them on top of one another, forming a W. Whatever. Do people still do that? Because I don't think I ever did that hand signal, but I was the whatever. Like, I was bad at whatever when I was a kid, but that says whatever. That is so cute. So this guy right here says, whatever bar necklace from Foxy Originals. This classic 90s statement necklace is handmade from zinc and plated in silver. The piece is 16 inches with a 2-inch extender included for length customization. $30 value. FoxyOriginals.com. Use code SMARTASS and SASS for 30% off. So that is so cute. No diggity, I gotta bag it up. Like, let's see. No diggity, I gotta bag it up. So you can just like put things in here. Let's see what it says. No diggity, no doubt pouch from Smartass Sass. We couldn't resist a solid bag it up pun. This snow polyester 300 Denver canvas pouch has a clear PVC window so you can see all your shit, and a black zipper closure to lock it down. $8 from Smartass Sass. And again, you can use OSNAP for 20% off. That is really cute. And you could always put like a little carabiner here if you wanted to hang it on something, or you can just leave it like that and put whatever you want in here, because you gotta bag it up. No diggity, no doubt. This is awesome. Okay. And that was valued, yes, at $8. Clean me, baby, one more time. Clean me, baby, one more time. This says, clean me, baby, one more time. Dishcloth from Bold Faced, inspired by Brittany. Now you can clean up again and again with this unique dishcloth. 70% wood cellulose from FSC certified forest and 30% cotton. This marvelously absorbent dishcloth from Sweden is a wonder in the kitchen. They absorb 15 times their own weight and can dry quickly. Care instructions are included. A $7 value at boldfacedgoods.com. Use code GOODMORNING for BOGO. I thought it was gonna say bingo. I'm like, bingo. And then I guess like if you have children, if you have kids, you can give them this little award that says, did the dishes. That is so cute. So we have a washcloth that says, clean me, baby, one more time. All right, so we have Saved by the Smell. So this goes with this, Saved by the Smell. And this looks like just like Saved by the Bell. Oh, I used to watch that all the time. Yes. Whoa. Okay, there's the t-shirt is left, you guys. One more item up in here. Up in here. And it says, talk to the hand. So, talk to the hand. That is so cute. That is definitely an old saying. talk to the hand, just like the whatever, talk to the hand. So here is our shirt. We got this adorable shirt. We got this dish towel. We have 2 cups with cute sayings on it. We have a whatever bar necklace. We have a Sharpie with Baby Got Back. We have a roller baller that smells amazing. We have a sticker. We have our Post-it notes. We have, you gotta bag it up. And you have the magnets and the air freshener. So this is everything that we received this particular month. And if you want a spoiler for next month, it will be November's theme is In Your Dreams. Next month is all about treating yourself to a little R&R. Whether you like to relax by getting all zen or taking a good old-fashioned snooze, next month will help you find that little piece. November's goodies are amazing, like amazing. Sorry, couldn't resist. It says amazing, like that. So that is what is all up in here. And yeah, so if you guys want to know what this box is all about and the pricing, I will let you know now. If you don't, you're free to X out now. So Smartass and Sass. I do have the link down below. You can follow that. You can see their subscription boxes and you can see all of the products that they do sell. They even sell the shirts individually, the products individually, that kind of thing. So you can check them out by visiting the link down below. They have 3 different subscription box options. They have the first one, which is just the shirt only. The shirt only subscription is $15.95 and it's a soft blended tee, unisex sizes, extra small to 3XL. They have a Smartass and Sass box, which is everything but the shirt. So all of these little goodies right here, and it's always like 5 to 7 items. That one's $34.95. Then they have the Smartass and Sass big box, which is this with the shirt. So you get everything. That's $49.95. Everything in the box plus the soft blended shirt. Shipping is an additional charge. We love that funny shit, cuss words, and treating ourselves. Smartass and Sass is a gift and subscription service with a snark. We have monthly subscription options along with one-time theme boxes and products available directly from the website. Smartass and Sass curates boxes full of hilarious hand-picked products made by artisans and small businesses. You'll receive 4 to 8 full-size products to use while laughing your way through life. Smartass and Sass was created by us, Kim and Abby. We've been friends for 25 years and we're silly weirdos and we love to laugh. And they ship their bosses. No, they don't ship bosses. They ship their boxes from the 16th to the 18th of each month generally. And you can use code NEWSASS for 15% off. But right now, if you are going to purchase from the store, use that code, what was it again? Oh, snap, for 20% off. So that is everything that I have for you guys. I love this theme. This totally is bringing me back to the 80s and I love and appreciate that so much. So comment down below, you guys. Let me know what you thought of this box. Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly appreciate it. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Do you want to see what's inside April's box? April, where the hell am I?